Alright everyone, this is Innocent. In this short video, I'm going to be telling you certain things that you need to be aware of in order to ensure that your channel grows and you get views and subscribers. You know, YouTube is a very massive place that a lot of people are uploading things every time. If you go to Google, for example, and try to find out the number of videos that have been uploaded every day, you'll be surprised. For example, if you come to Google and ask how many videos are uploaded per second, it's the number of videos uploaded every minute. 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. This translates probably to 30,000 hours of video per hour. Okay, let's how many videos are uploaded on YouTube every second? So you see that the number of videos that are uploaded on YouTube every second is very massive. So there are certain things that we need to do in order to ensure that your own video that you're uploading gets views. Because YouTube is not like it's not a man. So it checks, it analyzes, but the only thing that it analyzes that YouTube analyzes data. So the decisions of YouTube are based on data. So it does not know who is uploading or who is not uploading per se. So if you give you the right information, if you supply it the right data, and if you set it right, it will treat you accordingly. It will treat you better. It will treat you well. And your channel will begin to grow. So there are at least 3 things that I'm going to show you. 3 important things that I'm going to show you in this video that you need to be aware of in order to ensure that your channel grows. Number 1 is the file name. You must optimize the file name of the video that you want to upload on YouTube. Why is it important? It is important because you have seen the number of videos that have been uploaded on daily basis. So it is important that YouTube know as soon as possible what you are sending, what you are asking it to send to people. So the earlier it understands what you are sending, the better it can send it to the people that can look at it. It is important that you optimize the file name of your video so that as soon as YouTube receives it, it is easy enough to understand what you are feeding into in the meters, the thousands of people that are also feeding it, because it is a machine to operate based on that. So as soon as you receive the file name, as soon as you receive the name of the file, it is able to determine, okay, this one is going to this one, this one is going to this one, and it is able to distribute it much more quickly. So in order to see how you can name your file, you can go to YouTube. Because YouTube is a search engine, you can also benefit from the volume of searches that have gone into the system in order to optimize the file name of your clip. So if you come to YouTube and type the name of your video or the title that you want to give your video, for example, maybe how to cook, you can see, once you type out to cook, you can see that there are already a lot of foods that people have, come to YouTube to try to find out how to cook. So this one is jollof rice. So that is how you can get an idea of the name that you give to your clip before saving it or before they're pushing you to YouTube for uploading. So optimization of the name is very important. Now, the second thing that you have to take note of, the category. The category of the video is very important because it also helps YouTube to push out your video to the right audience, because YouTube doesn't want to send your videos to people who don't watch it. So the category that your video belongs to helps YouTube to distribute it to the right audience. So and if there are ways to get the right category in order that in which you are going to push your video. Normally, when you look at other successful YouTubers, you can find out every video supposed to belong to a category. So in your niche, you can check your competitors' categories. Maybe a particular video that you want to, that you are getting inspiration from, because you get inspiration from YouTube on YouTube. So the particular video that you have gotten inspiration from, and maybe that video has gotten thousands of views, you can check to find out the category that the video belongs to. So how do you do that? Do that by visiting a website. There is a website that is called metadata. When you come to metadata, for example, you want to find out the category that this video belongs to. This video that I've gotten about 466,000 views. And you want to find out the category that it belongs to. Let's assume that this is also your niche. How to upload YouTube videos to get more views. So when you click on this copy link, you go to that website and open it. That is the MW metadata. When you come to the search bar, if you press the video link and click on submit, when you scroll down, you will see certain details about the video. That is the video right here. It tells us the owner. It shows us the keywords. It shows us the keywords of the video. So you can also copy it. Copy these keywords and put it in your own video. Then you see the category. The category belongs to how to. So this is already giving you information on how to also cause your own video to go viral. How to also copy, because there's really nothing special about anybody. It is all about the settings that they have. There is nothing special about any video. What the secretaries of are the settings, and then of course the caliber of video, the quality of our video. So let's assume that you are also able to give out the right quality, a good quality video. Then these settings will help you to succeed as they are succeeding. So it is very important that you take note of these small things, because these are the small things that matter to YouTube. So the final thing that you have to check in order to get more views are your settings. If you go to your YouTube studio, there is this important setting that you have to also take note of. So let me show you by my channel. So I have let me go to my YouTube studio. When you click on settings, you come to channel. You click on advanced settings. Of course, it is also important that you get to know that your video is not forget, so that there is no confusion and no delay in processing it. So it is good that you leave it permanently on. So, but one important thing I want us to take note of is this third party training. Allow third party companies to train AI models using my channel content. So it is good to leave it to allow all third party companies. Why? Because these third-party companies like ChatGPT and other video editing softwares, if you allow them to use your content, they can easily recommend it to people. Like when somebody goes to ChatGPT, maybe ask for how to do one or two things, maybe how to cook, or how to upload YouTube video on YouTube, or how to add camera frame to your script, to your phone screen, and AI has access to your video. It will recommend it to the person. That way, your channel continue to grow. So these are the things that we have to, small things that matter. Little things on YouTube, little things matter. So we have seen that on YouTube, little things matter. Don't want the other things that I have to talk about in the subsequent video. But if you take care of these things, I believe that your channel will grow. But don't forget, you have not optimize your channel as a whole. I have a video here that teaches you how to optimize your channel, how to open your channel, how to create a YouTube channel in 2025, key optimization vision. So that is where I spoke in details. Everything that you need to take note of as you seek to grow on YouTube. So once the video, you see where you need to make adjustments in order to ensure that your own channel grows. All right. If you found this video informative and valuable, please subscribe, click on bell notification, and share it with others so as to help us to grow. See you in my next video.